How are you all doing, my friends? You can now withdraw your Rocky Rabbit allocation. Go to the mini app and log in. Here are my details. Total airdrop 2.1 million Rbtc. Available 1 point something million. Okay, and this one right here is in a vesting contract. Okay, so the next is click on wallets. Okay, once you click on wallet, it's going to bring you here to assets value is $8. Okay, my Rbtc allocation is just worth $8, ladies and gentlemen. This is so funny. Okay. Okay, I can click on the withdraw button. Okay, to withdraw if I want to do so. Okay, so let's click on the withdraw so I can show you how to withdraw. Clicking on that brings me to this page here. So which of the assets do I want to withdraw? I want to withdraw this. I'm going to click on that, and that brings me to this page. So that brings me here. Here is my withdrawal address. Okay, the address you previously connected. I connected my Tonekeeper wallet, so this is the address. So if I make any withdrawal now, my tokens will be sent to my Tonekeeper wallet. Select on max if you want to withdraw all. Okay, when I say all, I mean the ones available for you to withdraw. Remember, about half of your total allocation went into a vesting contract. Okay, so the next will be to click on send code, and the code will be sent to your Telegram app. Okay, so just get the code and click on confirm withdrawal. Now let me show you how to actually get the code. The moment you click on send code, you would have to click on this button to get it. So let me click on send code. Okay, watch that. I'm going to click on that to check if the code has been sent. It has been sent 713606. So 713606, 713606. Okay, so that's the code. I am going to click on the confirm button down here. So withdrawal has been successfully completed. Now it is worth about $10. So let's move on to the next step. The next step will be to await the arrival of the token in your Tonekeeper wallet or whatever wallet you connected it to. So I'm going to be making an update on this. Once it arrives here, I'll show you how to sell from here. Make sure you're subscribed, and please do turn on your notification bell. That's how you would know when I make the next video. Let's go.